Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing out there today? I hope you're having a great day. Oh, let me take this off. Hope you're having a great day today. I'm back, guys, on behalf of 30-Day Success Formula. You probably see me talk about this program. It's an awesome program. It's a direct mail program that actually sells digital products, okay? And they just happen to be using the direct mail method, okay, to send out our sales letter to get people to join. And they pay us direct in the mailbox, okay? Everybody sends their payment in cash. That's how we receive our commissions. But it's been around for 4 years, okay? Proven for 4 years to work. It's been working, okay? Offline. And they offer a 90-day money-back guarantee, okay? And they will mail 200 letters on your behalf, okay? And they will finance that for you, and they will bill you on the back end for that, all right? So, an awesome program. I've been in it for 30 days. Everything has been going very well. Everybody that joins me at level 2 and higher will get leads. 200 leads for level 2, and as you go up to the higher levels, I give you more leads, okay? Not to mention, we've got a great team. The Mail Order Freedom team, okay? We've got a Facebook group, guys, and we give you everything you need to succeed, okay, in this business. So, and I'm approachable, and you can contact me. So that is key, okay? And we've got the right leads for you, okay? So with that being said, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Go ahead and go ahead and click the notification bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos, okay? And like the video. But today I'm going to show you real quick. Got 2 packages. Okay, 2 packages, so I'm going to open these very quickly and move right along, all right? So look forward to working with you guys, okay? Been in direct mail since 2013. I came online 2011, failed miserably at it, and then I learned my way through direct mail marketing. So I know it works, and I've been working from home full-time since 2015, okay? All right, so let's see what we got here, guys. Everton from New York. Welcome to the team, my friend. All the way from the Bronx of New York. Okay, so hang on. Let's open up Everton's package and see what we got here. Whoa. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4. 400 bucks, guys. This is Everton. Let me cover up his information. That's level 3. Okay, can you see that? Level 3. Okay, welcome Everton. All right, good deal. Next one. Let's see. All right. Let's see what we got here. This one is from Craig out of Illinois. Welcome aboard, Craig. Okay. Let's see. 100. All right. Thank you, Craig. Level 2. All right. Level 2, guys. You see that? Level 2. All right. So, another payment. So, that is what? 500 bucks in one day. Okay? Let's see what we got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 500 bucks. Okay? So, this definitely does work. 30-Day Success Formula, guys. Get in, okay? This thing is blowing up. They're going to be adding a new level to the program. They're going to also be adding a new testimony to the sales letter. We're getting a new sales letter with the updates on it for the new product. And they're going to be adding electronic processing, okay? So you want to get in this program, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Go ahead and click the notification bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos. And I look forward to working with you guys. You guys have a blessed day.